Hey guys, if you can't feel your Apple Watch vibrating on your wrist, there are two places where we can enable it. The first one is on the watch itself, so press the crown and go to Settings. Next, Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down a bit and we have Haptic Alerts. Toggle that on. And we have the default and we have prominent if you want to have a stronger buzz. That's how you do it on the watch. Now for the iPhone. On your iPhone, do a search for watch and this will locate the watch app. Open that and make sure you're on the My Watch section. Scroll down and you'll come to Sounds and Haptics. And again, we enable Haptics Alerts. And we can choose default or prominent. So there we have it. Let me know in the comments whether you prefer default or prominent. I'd like to thank you for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.